Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish context here. But what a very, very impressive movement. I mean, you stop and think about that. And the opening 30 minutes, there's a gap down. The price dropped all the way to that area, and then the price has been able to battle back the way it has. Very, very impressive move. This, of course, brings about the valid question now, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves on a single area, and that area is down here now at $610. Now, why is 610 important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 610, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would you have at that point? You would now all of a sudden have the price having gone right back to where it was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, to be fair, though, no price can just go straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, what's the difference here? Well, the big difference is you'd have a set of lows there, and then you'd have those lows down there, and if you envision those as stair steps, well, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do, is it's going to make progress, and again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as $610. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, next key battleground to watch very closely, going to be right up here at about, whoops, let me change that. There we go. $643. So $643, public enemy number one now moving forward into the remainder of the week. But all in all, any angle you look at it, very, very impressive bounce today. Now it's just a question of can the price build upon this bounce moving forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.